Go get a bag of the lethal. I'll be undressed in the bra all see-through. While you count your juice, thinking I'ma cheat you.
Oh, you're going to start off by plucking your unit. This is optional. You do not have to do this. The part was very small. It wasn't as wide as it's going to look at the end, but I wanted to pluck it so it looked more natural, just so I could be comfortable. But it is optional. This is what the unit looks like after it is plucked. I didn't want to pluck it too wide, but I did stop when I seen that I was comfortable with the plucking. So here is where I take my foundation and my contour palette. Now I just want to say, use your own foundation shade. This is also optional. You don't have to do this. But where I messed up is I shouldn't have applied the foundation because it kind of bled through and it made the part look much wider than it was supposed to. So just apply it lightly, or just apply face powder. Don't apply foundation, because I didn't think that it would bleed through the way it did, and it did. But it is fixable. If you think you have too much, you can just go ahead and wash your lace out and it should come right out. And now you're going to cut your lace off, which is kind of self-explanatory. So here I'm flat ironing the unit. This is also something, you know, if you want that bone straight look. I wanted that bone straight look even though it was very pretty before. So I'm going in and flat ironing the whole unit on 390. It goes much faster when you take a brush and, you know, let the brush guide you like while you're flat ironing, and then it'll come out so much straighter. Now that we got sis flat ironed, we are going to make some baby hairs, and this is relatively easy. Literally just follow my step. So I'm going to take some hair and cut it. You cut it to your desired length. Then I'm taking this got to be the black gel and then this double-sided brush that I got from my local beauty supply. It was literally like $1 and it's so amazing for baby hairs, and I am just swooping. I mean, I think everybody knows how to swoop. You literally just swoop your baby hairs, and this got to be the black one is perfect for synthetic units because it'll make that fake hair stick to your forehead, okay? Like, it is the bomb.
This is a homage beat.
And then I'm just taking a scarf and go ahead and place that on your baby hairs for about 10 minutes. And after about 10 minutes, they should be nice and hard and stuck to your forehead, so you won't have anything to worry about. Alright, so as you guys can see, I am done. I'm just checking the baby hairs and they are nice and hard. And that is all that I really did to complete this look and make it customized to my liking. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope I helped you guys out. And I will leave the review to this unit in the description.